welcome back to my channel. I am finally back with another video. Today I am here with my very first installation video, and it is a 3-part wig, and I think I aced it. You wouldn't tell it's not a full frontal, right? I know you wouldn't tell. But yeah, I have this hair from Alipearl. I will have everything down in the description box below, links, discount codes if you want any down in the description box below, so make sure you go check that out. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I installed this beautiful hair, make sure you stay till the end of the video. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed by the end of this video, I hope you will be subscribed. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the continuous support. Yeah, let's go straight to the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so this is the hair. I already plucked it because it did need a bit of plucking, even though it's like a teapot wig, or teapot, 3-part, whatever you want to call it. Even though it is that, I decided to pluck it just so it can still look a bit natural even when I'm wearing it. The lace, the knots, they need to be bleached. However, I don't have any bleach, so I will be using just powder to I'll brush some powder on it, and maybe it will, you know, it'll work. And I have these 2 combs right here that I will be removing. Oh, these are the combs I'm talking about. I'll be removing these 2 because they do hurt whenever I have the wig on. So let me do that and I will be back. Okay, so another reason for removing these is because of the fact that they pull on your hair a bit too tight. Okay, I don't know why it's not focusing. These pull on your hair a bit too tight to a point where they ruin your hairline, so we do not want that. I also went ahead and applied I applied powder. This is the Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me matte and poreless powder, shade golden caramel, if you are wondering. That's my favorite, by the way. Anyways, I did apply some of that on the lace, and yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and install this baby. My camera battery has died. It has failed me once again, but my phone, I'm filming with my phone right now, so I hope the quality difference is not too bad. Oh, I used to not be a fan of these type of closure wigs. However, ever since I found out that you can actually style it and make it look like a full closure, I'm like, girl, just get yourself a teapot wig or a 3-part wig. I don't know what you guys call it, teapot, 3-part. But yeah, get yourself one because it is less expensive. It is inexpensive in comparison to a full closure. And to be quite honest, if you style it and install it this kind of way, it won't really seem like a teapot or 3-part closure. You know, I'm just gonna call it a teapot because that's what I've called it for the longest of time, so I'm gonna move with that. Okay, this is failing me. This hot comb is failing me, so you know what, I'm just gonna use a blow dryer. It's gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna use a blow dryer. There we go. I'm gonna take the hair back so that we can do the baby hairs now. I'm not too good at doing baby hairs, but for this hair I really want to, because I like the whole curly and with baby hairs type of look, so we're gonna do it. But normally for like straight wigs, I don't do any baby hairs because I just don't see it necessary. Oh, I must also say the quality of this hair is quite good. Like, it's really, really good. I really love it. It's so soft. I'm impressed. I love it. Ouch! I just hurt my nail. I don't know if I'm liking the quality of the phone, but it's not too bad. It's not bad. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Please don't come for me cutting with kitchen scissors. They're literally the only scissors that are sharp enough. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna go in like a zigzaggy type of, I don't want any straight lines, so I'm just gonna tune. There we go. And then I'm going, oh, what is that, honey? I'm gonna go ahead with some got to be once again, just to blend the lace onto my scalp and, you know, make it look seamless. And just like so. Now for the baby hairs. Ooh, this might just make it or break it because I don't really need baby hairs, but I really want. So for my baby hairs, I will be using this got to be ultra glued indestructible styling gel. This is great for my natural hair as well. This is what I use to lay down my baby hairs because this, honey, will stay, this will hold your baby hairs laid for the entire night, the entire day, whether hot or not, sweating or not. I trust this girlie. She holds me down all the time. I think I'm just gonna remove a bit here because it just seems like a lot. I don't know, I think it just seems like a lot. Okay, the camera is back. We're still doing baby hairs. I am just gonna cut these off. Okay, do I? Oh goodness, I hope I don't ruin my hair. Everything can just go wrong from here. Okay, let's lay these babies. Ooh. Let's lay these babies. Going in with my got to be ultra glue. Ooh, well, styling gel, ultra glued styling gel. I'm just gonna swoop these baby hairs. I don't know if I'm vibing with the baby hairs. I really do not know. I think I'm ruining it. I really think I'm ruining it. Okay, let's just lay the hair back. Maybe everything's gonna look good once I put the hair down. Maybe, I don't know. I'm trying to trust the process here, but I don't know. Okay. I really do not know how I feel about them. You guys tell me in the comments, what do you feel about them? Do you think they're good? What? Tell me, please. Just gonna apply a bit of water because I did brush the hair a lot here when I was still plucking it. So I'm just going to apply some water with conditioner and scrunch it up just so I don't ruin the curl pattern. This looks good. I think it looks good. I think I like it. I like the baby hairs now. You know when you go to the salon and you get your lashes and hair done, and just a few minutes after your nail tech or lash tech or hairstylist is done with everything, you're not feeling the hair or the nails or the lashes. You're just like, yeah, they look good. And then you get home and you're like, whoa, they look good. I look good. I feel like that is me with this hair right now. At first I wasn't trusting the baby hairs. The hair is definitely beautiful, great quality, but I wasn't feeling the baby hairs, which is like 100% my fault. This is stunning. Love the quality, honestly. Okay guys, that is it from me. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave everything down in the description box below, the link to the hair, the description, everything that you guys might need. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my very first installation. I have been practicing, so I hope I did well. I like it. I vibing with it, and even though it's a teapot, like 3-part wig, I love it. Anyways, this is stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching. If you have watched this video and you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have watched the video and enjoyed it and haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you once again so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next one.